Hello guys, welcome back. Hey guys, you won't believe the awesome scrap stuff I found today. Oh, this is broken, but I have not been using this. Hey guys, isn't this diecast car absolutely awesome? Wow, an awesome headphone right here. Let's check this out, guys. Hey guys, the battery is missing in this. But guys, let me show you a cool idea. Did you know we can run this fan with just a potato? Let's try it. Hey, look at this, guys. The fan is actually spinning. Wow, look at this powerful tractor, guys. One of its tire is missing, but don't worry, we can fit another tire on this. And here is another wonderful item, guys. Guys, I can see a DC motor inside this. I have an idea using this, guys. Hey, what do you think about this fan I built, guys? And now, let's see what other treasure we can find. Wow, what is this? Oh, this looks awesome. Let's try to repair this, guys. Wow, this is a music player. Oh guys, this is not working, guys. But its LED is still glowing. Wow, this looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Alright guys, now let's repair another item. This is a broken light, but there is a DC motor inside it. Wow, the light is working, guys. Oh no, this is a broken toy. Hey guys, look here, a Bluetooth headset. Oh no, bad luck. This on speaker is missing. Oh my god, guys, look at this Bluetooth speaker inside the car.
Welcome to Ita Music World.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.